While in South Carolina, somebody said, you should check out Strawberry Hill. So I talk like I'm from South Carolina and go to Strawberry Hill. Let's see what Strawberry Hill's all about. Let's go Strawberry Hill. What would Gary always say?
Daggum.
Daggum, let's go Strawberry Hill. Looks like they sell pumpkins. We got pumpkins. No pets allowed inside. Corn maze until October 30th. No night maze this year. We got fresh apples. North Carolina mountain apples, $6 a bag. Y'all want some apples from North Carolina?
Yeah, some green apples.
You want some green apples? You want some green apples? Okay. What's they got? Look at this gourd. It's a giant gourd. And they got over here. They have peach cider, Tanya. Strawberry cider, blackberry cider. Hot and crunchy dill pickles, hot chow chow.
Hot chow chow.
Hot chow chow.
What's this?
I'm sorry, can you say that again? Come on, do it again.
I need some of them boiled peanuts, daggum.
Alright, let's get some boiled peanuts.
Yay! I'll get the small piece.
It's gonna be hot. I'll hold this.
Strawberry
Set your cup down closer to it.
Interesting. Sauce.
Try to leave the water in there. That's why there's holes in the spoon, so you can leave the water behind.
Strawberry salsa?
That doesn't sound like a salsa. How do you have a strawberry salsa?
That's what I want to know. It says salsa.
It smells like sweet potatoes. It's probably because peanuts are naturally sweet.
Pickled okra.
Anybody else?
No, fill it up. Kayla, can you step in and help fill it up?
What do you think a pickled peach tastes like?
I don't know. Why don't you ask Peter Piper? How many peaches did Peter Piper pick? Alright, so we got some apples. We got some boiled peanuts. Let's get a small strawberry cider.
Yes.
Can you walk forward so I can get past you? Thanks. Baby beets. They got some candy over here. Apple rings. What is that? Hot sauce. Raisin cinnamon bread. What are they?
I have no idea.
I don't know. It looks like some kind of liquid, but it's flavored.
Mmm, flavored liquid. Who would have ever thought?
Right? Flavored. Gummy.
We got some fudge and some apples and some strawberry
Cider.
and some strawberry cider. Excuse my brain farts. And we got flavored honey. Kira's in a rocking chair? Oh, and some boiled peanuts. We got some boiled peanuts. We didn't even have to stop on the side of the road. And when you're at Strawberry Hill, they got rocking chairs all along the front. So make yourself at home, buy a pumpkin, get some apple juice. Apple cider.
Dad, get out of the road. He said I can't eat these. What?
This is like a cart with some hay and some pumpkins and a scarecrow, and Bubble Fett, and Tanya Mullins.
Happy fall, y'all.
Happy fall, y'all.
It sounds like happy follow, y'all.
Happy fall, yeah, follow us.
The scribble. We're a horse, you could.
All right, try that. Say hey.
Over here.
Hi. Hi. Scribble.
Let's try some boiled peanuts for the first time ever in the history of the Mullins family. They're hot. They're soft. Oh my goodness, it's burning my fingers.
Ooh, hot. Use your nails.
Smells
already.
like potatoes.
Oh my goodness.
Hot.
I just squished it a bunch of
Oh,
stuff
some
came
juice
out.
squirted out.
Juicy. Yeah, these are hot.
With mom.
I think we should move your phone before it gets juicy.
How do we do this? So
You
just
like-
peel it.
Yeah. I got one out.
One.
I got one.
Ooh, that's good.
Soft.
Mm-hmm.
That's interesting.
It does smell like.
It has like a
it.
potato-like
It does.
flavor at first, and then
It has a potato texture
you
because
start
it's
getting
soft.
the peanut flavor.
It smells like potatoes too.
That's nice.
Open.
It's salty. Like it's got a salty flavor.
Got a hard one.
I like it.
Kaylin's gonna be like, "Why am I in the truck?"
By myself.
Kaylin doesn't like peanuts, but she's never had soft peanuts.
Mm-mm. Never had no boiled peanut before.
My fofo.
It's interesting.
I like them.
They
Thanks,
do taste
Dad.
like potatoes. No, you mean thanks me for noticing.
Oh, thanks, Kira.
Good job, Kira. Let's see if
Okay.
Kaylin wants to try one.
Tell her they're soft. You gotta sell it.
Really soft.
So, can you see? They're soft.
Super soft. Plus, they have a very salty and potatoey taste to them.
They're good. I don't want to stop.
Me neither. Couldn't get it out.
They're easy to crack.
Watch out, they're hot.
Did she try it?
Yeah.
Was she-
Yay!
It's like a sweet potato.
Yeah.
It's another mashed potato. Wouldn't it be weird if you got a bunch of these and put them all out back?
If you, yeah, like you smashed them up and made peanut, like kind of like a mashed potato. To have mashed peanuts.
I'm gonna try one that's like.
She like
Look
it?
at that.
Yeah, she kind of liked it. You want some more?
Look at that.
I don't know how much you can see because that sun's blocked. Here, try it again. Try that again. I'm blocking the sun.
Look at that. It's like, I literally just cracked that thing.
So, very common, especially back in the good old days. People would just set up a stand on the side of the highway, selling boiled peanuts. You'd be driving home from work or whatever, and you'd be like, "I'm craving some boiled peanuts," and you'd see somebody with a sign that'd be like, $2, bag of boiled peanuts. Very common down here in the South. That's because peanuts actually grow. Peanuts and cotton are probably the two biggest agricultural things of the South. The red dirt is really good for peanuts and for cotton. Not a lot of other crops grow down here. I think it was the boll weevil ate all the cotton.
So this is another bucket list item for me.
Stand at the back of the truck and eat boiled
I've
peanuts.
never had boiled peanuts. So this is like a big deal for me.
You know, when we were asked about what our bucket list items were, I'm pretty sure they were thinking like, you know, the Statue of Liberty, and we're like, nah, we want to eat boiled peanuts.
Yeah.
In the back of the truck.
In South Carolina.
Here's my bucket list. My bucket list is going to GameStop and seeing how much Pokemon stuff they have.
Ooh.
Just seeing it.
Not buying it. Actually just seeing it.
And you can only buy one thing out of all those things.
So when our friends ask us tomorrow, like, what'd you do with your Saturday? Well, we bought some boiled peanuts and ate them out of the back of the truck.
At Strawberry Hill.
At Strawberry Hill.
They'd
South
be like,
Carolina.
what?
What are you doing? I didn't intend for us to stand here and eat all of them.
Well, what are we supposed to do with them? Let them get cold?
I don't know, take them home, but okay. I guess they'll get cold. What if we boil our own peanuts?
Ooh.
You can do that?
Buy peanuts in the shell, we got a slow cooker.
He's right.
He is right. He's a genius.
A genius, I
I
tell
married
you.
a genius.
Only on Saturdays.
Only on Saturdays.
Juiciness.
Look at that. What is that? They grow on a vine?
Yes. They grow in the ground.
Oh, I didn't know that.
They are like potatoes. They grow in the ground.
That way they taste like potatoes.
They're on the roots.
Is that why they taste like potatoes?
I guess so. Maybe they all just taste like dirt and you just didn't know what dirt tastes like.
No, we didn't.
Knowing is half the battle. G.I. Joe!
And knowing is half the battle. And G.I. Joe is half the battle. What?
What? Yeah, what?
It sounds like it's saying Cherokee. Cherokee.
You're in Cherokee County.
We
Maybe
are.
the birds are singing the name of the county. Cherokee, Cherokee, Cherokee.
So, is it okay to drop peanut shells on the floor? That's already there.
I don't know. This isn't Texas Roadhouse.
We're from Texas.
Yeah.
I did it. Sorry.
I mean, a peanut shell is more biodegradable than a plastic bag.
Yeah. Would the birds appreciate it?
Did you know they have like a bunch of ice cream there too?
I saw.
I didn't see the flavors there.
You saw what?
We didn't see the flavors though.
What happened to the fudge?
There's a bag right there.
Yeah.
I'm feeling like we should just go ahead and start using the bag as our trash.
I agree. Aye. Oh, hey, hi.
Didn't see it coming in there.
Hey.
She caught me by surprise. She came from behind. Hey, Kira, can you pick up your trash? I'm kind of wishing I could wash my hands down. Wipe them on the truck. All right. That was 8 minutes recording. Oh my goodness. I gotta edit all that.